Hey guys, and welcome to the Nash House. Today is Sunday, and since it's the beginning of the week, I was planning on, and it's NFL Sunday. I was actually planning on cooking a whole baked pasta dish. Say hi, Diedrich.
Hi.
But as you see, Diedrich is fresh to death because Mommy had to cut his hair. I had to cut his hair and Dion's hair, and I had to get my hair together and my daughter's hair. So today has been hair day. So no cooking, but on the upcoming week, we're going to do pasta week. We're going to make up some pasta dishes. We're going to do some familiar dishes, but it's pasta week coming up. I'm so excited. Don't forget to check out each one of our social media handles. We have Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I'm watching. See you soon. Say bye.
Bye, King.
Bye.